Ready to uncover hidden gems in the real estate market? Let's dive into how to find distressed properties using Redfin. First, head over to redfin.com and enter the location where you're looking to invest. This can be a city, a zip code, or even a specific neighborhood. Once you've got your search results, click on the filters button. This is where the magic happens. Under property type, select the types of properties you're interested in, like house or townhouse. This narrows down the search to the specific type of real estate. Now, scroll down to the listing status section. This is where you can specifically target potential distressed properties. Look for options like foreclosure, auction, or bank-owned, as these often indicate properties needing renovation. Next, refine your search by setting a price range to focus on properties that align with your budget and investment strategy. A lower price can be a sign of a distressed property. Now, browse the map view. Click on individual property pins to view details. Pay close attention to the description and photos. Look for keywords like TLC needed, fixer-upper, or needs repairs. These are huge indicators. Finally, investigate the property history. How long has it been on the market? A long listing period can suggest issues. Also, check the price history for significant price drops, which might indicate underlying problems. That's it. By using these Redfin tips, you're well on your way to finding undervalued properties with huge potential. Don't forget to do your due diligence before making any offers. Happy investing!